How are you all? Good now? Let's go for good morning song. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. How do you do? How do you do? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. And now what we will do? We will go for a small exercise. But today I will teach you a small yoga. Do you see this room? Do you remember something? Yes, it is our assembly hall. What do we do here? We do prayer here. Do you remember? And today here on this place I will do yoga, small yoga. How we are practicing? Do you remember? Let's start. All of you sit down. Fold your legs. We will start with Namaskar. Join your hands, close your eyes, sit straight. Sit straight, all of you. Yes. Now, all of you open your eyes, put your hands on your knee. Sit for some time. Then put your hands on your shoulder and rotate. Rotate. All of you rotate? Yes. Then backward rotation. Backward rotation. Put your hands like this and up. Back again to your shoulder. Then again up. Back to your shoulder. Again up. Back to your shoulder. Now stretch your hands, make a fist, rotate the fist. Put it again on your lap, your hands. Stretch your neck, look upward. Stretch your neck and look upward. Slowly come to the forward, then move sidewards. This side, left side, then again come to the front, then again right side, again to the front. Very good. Now all of you rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands, close your eyes. Put your palm on your face and feel the warmth. Now, open. Thank you.
Book number 4, page number 32. Come to page number 32. What is written here? Cross the pictures whose name do not start with the letter given in the box. See, here some letters are given. Here some letters are given and here some pictures are given. Which does not belong to the letter, we have to cross them. So this is L. L for leopard. Yes, it belongs to L. Leopard belongs to L. But parrot, cross it. Mouse, cross it. Okay. Then M. M for mango. Yes, M for mango. This other two, this nut and apple. Cross it. Okay. Next. N. N for nose. Dolphin does not belong. Cross it. And olive. Cross it. Then see O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Goldfish cross and jellyfish cross. P. P for pizza. P for pizza. Cross this mushroom and this orange. Okay, do this one. Next come to page number 33. Look at each picture. Look at each picture and write the first letter of its name. One has been done for you. See, log. L is written. Capital letter L and small letter L. Lotus. Right. Capital letter L and small letter L. This is lotus. Capital letter L and small letter L. Nose. Capital letter N and small letter N. You know how to write? Oh, it came out. Sorry. It will be inside these two blue lines. Next, octopus. Octopus, capital letter O and small letter O. Next, this one. What is this? Muffin. Capital letter M and small letter M. This is muffin. Parrot. Capital letter P and small letter P. This one, plate. Again P. You have to write P. Man. See, man. Capital letter M and small letter M. Olive. Capital letter O and small letter O. Olive. Read the letters and match the capital letters to small letters by drawing lines. Here are some capital letters and here are small letters. We have to draw line and match. You know this one. Do it. This is page number 34. Book number 4, page number 34. Do it. Next, page number 35. Write the letters A to P. Capital letter A to P you have to write. Capital letter. See, A is written here. You have to write B. B. Write down B. Then C. Capital letter. Do everything. Sorry. Do everything. Capital letter. C. Capital letter. C. Then come D and E. 5 letters in a row. C, D, E, F, E. Then comes F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Then last one P. Last one is your P. When you are writing single letters, so what you are going to do? You have to keep 5 letters in one row. You have to keep the 5 letters in one row. So P will come to the last line. Write the letters A to P. Small letter A to P, same way. A, capital letter B from red top line to blue bottom line, then a curve. B, C, D, E. This you have to do. 5, again 5, then P will come to the last line. P. Here you will write the P. Do it, my dear students. Thank you.